you on probation or parole? You are on probation for what? Put your hands up on that. Anything in the car that's illegal, be honest. No. So yes, you do.
No, it's defensive.
What's in your backpack? Where do you live at? Put your hands back up on here, man. Put your hands back up on there. Put your hands back up there. Yeah, please. I don't know that. Yeah, in a minute when my partner gets back here, alright? So, go ahead, step out, Dumas? Okay, yeah, definitely. Good, bro.
You're not going to want that sweatshirt. It's hot.
What is it, bro?
Just go ahead and step out and I'll write it down.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Sheriff's office, stop!
148! He's pepper sprayed me! 148!
Here you can see the liquid from the pepper spray that rubbed off of the deputy's skin and onto his patrol car as he retreated for cover due to his inability to see.
And I'll write it down for him. Hey! Hey! Sheriff's office, stop! What you got? 148! Hey! Stop! Sheriff's office, stop!
Here you can see Dumas running toward the deputy with both hands extended forward, brandishing a black object that the deputy believed to be a firearm.